Happy Friday. You're perched on the top of a paper towel roll in my messy camper. But just wanted to say hi, hello vlog. We're going camping this weekend. You're coming with us. It's Father's Day weekend and it is a Father's Day camping trip. That's my kiddo. We're going with my family, so my parents, my siblings, and my sister's fiance. He's gonna be part of the family officially in actually just a few weeks because we have a wedding coming up. But anyway, we are gonna have a fun camping trip. I'm so excited. I don't even know what we're gonna get up to, but I'm gonna bring you along because I love vlogging a camping weekend, and that's my kid in the background making noise. Anyway, come with us. I am about to clean up this camper. We've got a lot of stuff packed, but not entirely because it's kind of like a last minute situation usually. But we're working at it. My husband has some stuff tore apart in here. I don't know what he's doing. Anyway, see you soon. It was such gorgeous weather when we got up there Friday night. Quinny loves hanging out with her Nana, and she was having so much Nana time. You can literally see how happy and excited she was about it. We started some beans and brats for dinner, and look at this cool fire pit that my brother-in-law to be got made for my dad. Also, Quinny here is being so excited she gets to go in her pack and go fishing. We headed out on a little fishing down the river. I literally just trail along with my husband and cast in here and there. Quinn loves to be moving, so sometimes she gets bored if I stand too still, but that's okay. Part of it all. We spent a couple of hours out here because it was so freaking pretty. It was gorgeous, perfect weather, literally all the things that remind me why I love Montana so much and why I'm so excited to get to raise our baby here. Levi did catch a little rainbow trout. He was fly fishing, and I feel like that makes a difference, especially in the rivers out here. I feel like he often catches more fly fishing than I do with just regular lure fishing. However, I'm not entirely sold on learning to fly fish because it seems like a lot of work and kind of difficult, but I also want to in a way. I really can't decide. Let me know if you felt like it was something worth investing the time in while your babies were little. That's really what's holding me back. I dumped some campfire coffee, maple syrup, and milk and ice in here. And it's good. Levi, can you set these in the rain? Yes. Sorry. Just looks so pretty up there. I really want to take a hike today, honestly. Started raining. It's pouring. It rained last night. We woke up and had some breakfast, and then it started raining, so we hung out in the campers for a bit, and when it cleared up and got sunny, we decided to climb down to this spot. I don't know what it's called, honestly, but do some fishing, do some exploring, and guess what? Your girl decided to cross over to that like cave-looking hole in the wall, and yes, I fell in. And here's a video of me explaining. A little tunnel. I'm soaking wet because I fell in going to where it was going. So anyway, crazy running. Undeniably my very favorite places on earth happen to be water and mountains, especially water. I am like a mermaid fish, and this is such a happy place. Or something else. No, I have a water out here. Had pork and beans again and potato salad. It was so yummy, and we went fishing again. Surprise! And Levi caught another rainbow trout. This one was a little bigger, but nothing crazy. Honestly, the fishing was not great this weekend. It was a place that we haven't fished a whole lot, and when we have, we haven't had great luck. But since we're camping, we decided to fish because what else is there to do? I was glad he at least caught a couple though, because he cares more than I do about catching fish for sure.
That's pretty sweet. They had
We placed camp one more day and we're gone. It's a fun time.
Okay,
Now she's telling you that you guys
We're gonna have this cool situation.
that's weird. Why did the side ones burn out?
Yeah, like that. That's
Pour
right.
'em in there.
That's right. You ask Mama. Ask Mama if you can do it.
No, my remote's not plugged in.
Hi, bud.
Hi, Trevor.
Hi.